Okay. Cadence, I'm going to have to move you over a little bit, I think. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to give you some presents that Mama and Papa brought back from you from Las Vegas, okay? Ready? Let me see if I can see you. I can. You'll have stripes on you from the blinds. Okay, look. Here's your first present. Isn't that a beautiful shirt? It's a little, actually it's a dress, I think. Look. It says Las Vegas on it. Isn't it pretty? It's all shiny and has sequins. You see the beads? It's got pink and blue. So pretty. Look, you wear it. Oh, it's gonna be so cute, isn't it? Yeah. So pretty. Mama knew what you would like, huh? Gonna show the camera? Look, say. So cute. So cute. Okay, thank you. Can you blow a kiss? Thank you. Alright, and here's another shirt. Actually, it's another little dress. There's Brinley's. And there's Cadence's. You like that one? The green polka dots? Yeah. Brinley, you like your shirt, don't you? Alright. And then, dun da da dun. Look at these. Look at your M&M, Brandon. Look at your M&M. Look at him. Give him kisses. Give him kisses. Love that M&M. Isn't it cute? Uh-oh, your M&M fell down. This M&M comes all the way from Las Vegas. He's gonna go give Brenda a hug. Yeah. Can you say thank you, Mama and Papa? And say thank you? How about you blow him a kiss? Mwah.